All right, welcome back. Let's take you now to RENAC, who had a stakeholder engagement where they were really explaining the deepening public understanding of the airline's operations as well as their new strategic plan. They also, part of that conversation included the very important conversation around the new route to Lusaka, Zambia from King Mswati, the third international airport that is effective from the 1st of April. We listen to Ndumiso Shongwe, the general manager from RENAC.
Namhla besihlangene la esibayeni lodge sihlanganise disebenzi kahulumende, senior government officials, sihlanganise bemabhange nama-parastatals lamanye ukuthi wethula lolu hlelo ethule kulontsha luhambo lwethu leseluya eLusaka. Besitobadisa nje ukuthi sitawuhamba ngatiphi tikhathi nekuthi tindleko tekuya khona kutabanga malini. Lokunye bese sitotshela nje sive lebese sicela ukuthi sivele la ngetinhlelo tathu eSwatini Air ukuthi kuyembili sibheke ukuthi sitawendani kusuka namuhla kuyembili netinhlelo lesinato tokuthuthukisa le airline yethu si eSwatini Air. Tingoni lesithinzile sithinze kakhulu indlela yokunciphisa ema-cost esi-operator ngawo kule airline yethu. Nawuqhathanisa nema-airlines lamanye la similar place njengathi sabonisana ukuthi ngikuphi la singanciphisa khona ama-cost. Sabuka ngendlela ukuthi ngimaphi amaqhinga lesingawenda kwakhathi imali ngaphandle kwaleli siyithola lapho silayishe abantu khona. Njalo nje sitawulontsha imagazini, in-flight magazine. Bantu labahamba kubayawathi ukuthi in-flight magazine lapho kunetindlela ukuthi bantu ba-advertise airline beyikhona wakha imali lapho. Lokunye lesikubukile ukuthi sikhulise le capacity yale maintenance yethu. Letinye tale maintenance yethu kunekuthi siyimixe ngaphandle kubomakhelwane sikhona kuyenda la ngekhathi ekhaya lapho kutawuncipha indleko tekuyena. Siyabonga. Isidingo seku-extenda ikakhulu nangiLusaka sivelile nasisakhulumisana nebantu nje la ngephandle nema-industry partners lesikhulumisana nabo ngaphandle kwelive bayivetile le route le ukuthi ningayingeta le route le manyenti bantu laba kulamave lawa labeta la ekhaya nyalo labahamba via Johannesburg. So sithi ngcono siyihlanganiseke nalo Harare batokhona abantu bahambe directly bete eSwatini. Lesinye isidingo lesivelako sisakhulumisana sidingo sendiza yesithathu siyi-airline ngoba kwanyalo sinatimbili. Nakwendeka ilimala yinye mhlambe idzinga isevisi isikhathi lesithe lapho sesinayinye vele-ke sesiyalimala niyenive nje ukuthi sekunema-delay eSwatini Air sokukhansele ini ngile capacity yokuthi once yinye yawo iyalimala vele we become at 50%. So sisakhulumisana hulumende nalamanye potential funders ukuthi singayithola njani esithathu sitokhona kuyo. Ngakubekisela nje ukuthi nakwendekile lokho mhlambe yaya ku-service for a prolonged period siyesikhanze sicasha indiza yakulamanye amafu ngenyanga bafuna 3 million emalanga kuyaduma. So kungcono ukuthi mana sibe nekwethu sitokhona ku-avoida lokuthi siyocasha ngaphandle. Yes, i-concern enkulu eMaswatini indzaba tikhwama ukuthi kufuna wehle eJozi uphindze ungene uyo-check-in ufake kulenye airline lelandzelako. Siyakulungisa sishito la kulomhlano siyakulungisa lokho. Kukhona i-certification lesisahamba through yona. Once saphasa leyo certification imhla ka-13 April to 17 April sayiphasa leyo audit leyo sitawukhona-ke ukuthi eMaswati siyangathatha tukhwamatawo athola ekugcineni lapha yakhona.
Amathikithi ethu laya eLusaka sekayabhukeka ku-system yethu. Solo siyawathola ngale ndlela lebesivele sibhuka ngayo. Yaqala iwebsite yethu www.eswatiniair.co.za. Na ungena nje lapho soyamkhanza Lusaka kuleli sistema airport umchafade laphana usho ukuthi ufaka one way noma ufaka i-return. I-one way cishe ebo 3.5 nemali. I-return ke seyitawuwenda ngakhona laphana-ke kuye ngithi uthole class bando available ekubuyeni. So siyaphola lapho siyaphola nakamanzini office reservations office yethu emanzini junction complex lapho kukanekise khona i-Eswatini Air reservations team. naku-call center la solo siyoshaya khona 25180100 uyashaya so uyalifola ithikithi leliya elusaka khona. Kuma-travel agents siyatfolakala nakhona lebeka sithengiselana ama-deyas nalamanye khona lokunye lesithi travel port siyatfolakala nakhona as Han Air na-APG sisasebentela namanye ama-systems. So uma-ke unema-special service request asesithi maybe udzinga i-wheelchair noma udzinga special meal wena udla i-vegan or ikosha uyasibhalela thina at least 2 days before let departure 48 hours before ucele ukuthi udocela i-wheelchair wena noma uhambisa umphana yefa unaccompanied minor awubhuki njengemuva ulotanyana uyasitshela ngoba kunamalungiselelo lekufuna siwende before that. So kwami-ke ngingaba kukhuthatha ukuthi emaswati salathenga phela sowakhe umlambo ube part of the inaugural flight. 1 April is the day we are taking off from Eswatini siya eLusaka siyabuya ekhaya, then sesiyachubeka-ke ne-schedule yethu sihamba sipica Lusaka naHarare kulama operations ethu aLusaka. Ema-special service request ethu ahlukene, akhona labhadalelwa imali, akhona lamahala. Lo mehluko ukuthi kunemsebenzi ekumele wendiwe behind ukuze le ndiza ingadileyeki on the day ngoba kunama-processes lahambako. So ukuze sithole kahle loluhla lokuthi ngikuphi lokubhadalelwako siyacela ukuthi bachubeke bagibeli basi-emailele ku-reservations @eswatini.co.za okhona la sengikhulume khona ukuthi uyashaya uyabuta call center 25180100 nalama office ethu kaManzini ungazivakashela sitakwethela konke ukuthi lo lokufunako uyachargewa kanje kudla nje loku outside siyakucharge but ayisinkulu kakhulu imali yakhona, but bama-wheelchair ukhanza ukuthi kumahala lokunye-ke kunema-charges akhona. So the details of lama charges utawatfola nasowusishayela. So ungalifola nyalo lithikithi la December usually kubabo 11 months. It's close to a year, but kune-cycle esingayeqi ngeke nje nyalo uthengele 25 February next year because the system automatically itawuphika 25 February lowa namuhla ngoba lelanga lisengapheli. So cishe kube yicycle kanjalo, but you can buy it well in advance. Ungathenga nje nyalo nawe yelusakha ngaNovember uvulibeka lithikithi lakho lapha uhlulibukwa lapha ecingweni. We would like to urge all flyers to please consider flying Eswatini Air into the country. We've got a host of events lined up. We have Bukano this weekend, and I think in 2 weeks' time from now. So please do consider flying Eswatini Air. We fly to Joburg, between Eswatini and Joburg daily. So you can fly in any day. We fly to Durban on Fridays. We can pick you up from Cape Town as well and from Harare. Just to attend these events that are set. We have Bushfire in May. You can already purchase your ticket. Promo codes are available there to get your discounts. And also for the Emaswati that are here as you fly out, consider flying Eswatini Air. We are quite affordable. We offer excellent service. We are waiting for you on board with smiles, and we just want to project the Swati warmth on you. So consider flying us. We are available. We are affordable. We offer you convenience. Why not Eswatini Air?
There you have it from Ndumiso Shonga, the General Manager from RENAC, as well as Batshabile Ngambule, the Communications and Marketing Manager from RENAC, just telling us about the services that RENAC continues to offer, and that Eswatini Air continues to offer, as well as the new route that will be in effect from the 1st of April, connecting King Mswati, the 3rd International Airport, with Zambia to Lusaka, Zambia. Batshabile also spoke about the special services requests, as well as encouraging domestic travelers and international travelers to use and fly with Eswatini Air because it is cheap, it is affordable, but it is also very comfortable. So we hope that that is going to be the case. We go for a quick ad break now. We'll be back shortly with more.